digital world, your privacy and security are constantly at risk. Every time you go online, whether browsing, shopping, or working remotely, your personal data, passwords, and browsing habits are vulnerable to hackers, malware, and even government surveillance. But what if there was a way to regain control of your digital life? Meet NordVPN, the #1 VPN service of 2025, trusted by millions worldwide, with thousands of servers in 165+ locations. NordVPN gives you lightning-fast speeds, unlimited VPN data, and the freedom to browse, stream, and work online without restrictions. Protect up to 10 devices simultaneously, including smartphones, laptops, tablets, and even your home Wi-Fi router. Worried about public Wi-Fi? NordVPN shields your connection with bank-grade encryption and advanced security features, keeping your passwords, emails, and sensitive files completely safe. Its Threat Protection Pro runs silently in the background, blocking malware, phishing attempts, and suspicious websites before they can harm your devices. NordVPN also includes Dark Web Monitor, sending instant alerts if your personal data is ever exposed in a breach, so you can act fast and secure your accounts. Imagine knowing immediately if your credentials are compromised and having the tools to fix it. Whether you want to take control today, protect yourself, safeguard your family, and browse the internet without limits with NordVPN. Don't wait until it's too late. Your digital safety can't afford to be optional.